Let's make refreshing iced coffee. Iced coffee is just like hot coffee, only it's cold and more refreshing. Now, lots of people have only tried iced coffee in cafes, and that's not the only place that you can try it. It's really easy to make at home. So we're going to make something similar to an iced latte. So the first thing to do is make the coffee. And so we're going to use 15 grams of coffee. Here we go. I'm going to pour over that 100 mils of water. And what we're looking to do here is to replicate a really short, strong coffee, just like an espresso. So I'm going to give it a little stir. I'm just going to leave that to brew for 4 minutes. So my cafetiere is now brewed for 4 minutes. So I'm just going to plunge that down. And our next job is to put our ice into our glass. Now I want to use lots and lots of ice here because that's going to cool down our hot coffee. So a full glass of ice to pop in there. And we're going to pour over this coffee. Because we've got loads of ice, it's going to cool it down really quickly. And then finally, I'm just going to pour our milk over the top. So this makes a nice milky iced coffee, a bit like an iced latte. And it looks amazing. Give it a little stir. And that's ready to go. If you like your coffee a little bit sweeter, you can always add some sugar or some syrups as well. Cheers.